Yo, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since y'all last time see me, so gonna try to give y'all a little update of what I've been up to. Today I'm at my sister's shop in Sharpstown Mall. Came to check out my candy machines to restock on them, show you how much I really make. This is my first month checking up on it, so I'm gonna show you how much I made, restock it, and show y'all how it really is. I had a little accident with my leg, so I've really been slacking on it, but I got my little shirt ready. Check out the shirt. Rule number one, you gotta look presentable, so I had to come presentable. Yeah, check it out. Pops came to help me out. These are my first two machines. This was the first machine I ever put in here in my first location, my sister's. Sharpstown area, second floor to the left. Y'all come support your boy. Came with some bubble gums today. Came with some change just in case, because she said I always needed change. Check it out. Got sun in there. Hold on, I'm trying to do this one hand. Alright. Check out what the other one makes. Ooh, cha-ching. Let's son. Alright. Deal. Look at how rich you got me.
Huh?
Look at how rich you got me. Keep buying them little candies, boy.
They were goto. Maybe I got them. Shut up. That big one. I got something. Yeah, I got them.
It's a good location. A couple of this.
Huh?
Or more. That's real good. Cause I bought this machine for $26, so.
Me payé. Ah. Good. Papa, where's going? Papa, where's going?
Alright, I'm gonna cut it short. I just wanted to show you the profit. But I'll make the part 2 right now as I stock everything up. And I'll explain it. So, that's what I got in my first one. Cha-ching.
Dude, that working?
Alright, y'all make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe.
That's my mom?
Part 2 coming up soon. Finish this, do this real quick. Put everything back up right.